out here to the road here a little bit, so maybe we can make this happen. We got 10 satellites, just need one more, maybe two more. There's 12, there we go. We got GPS locked now. Go down here, the sensors are snowed in here. Alright, got the sensors unsnowed. Let's get some altitude here. Altitude's our friend. We got 13 satellites. Let's take a couple minutes flight here, go check out the lake. I think the subject of this flight is Fimi X8 2020. Is it disposable? It is to me. Or I wouldn't be flying it in this shit. But in other words, it can take it too, because I have flown it in this shit a lot, so. Camera's getting a little frosted up, guys, but there's not a lot I can do about that. See if we can shake some of it off here. Alright, we're about 225 feet up, 88% battery, 17 satellites, shooting in 4K 30, guys, and EV is set at +3. Might kick that up a little to like maybe +7. And we're just taking a nice cruise flight in the workhorse. Everything's going pretty good, as far as I could tell. Not going to stay out too much longer. Let's spot the land here. I am standing right there, guys, in this snow. Looks like she's flying pretty good. I did leave the Osmos on over there, so I might add some of that, I might not, because I really don't have any footage. I might take the 2022 out too in this, I'm not quite sure yet. Alright. That's it, guys. SE 2020. Snowy flight. First snow flight of the year. First snowstorm of the year. Alright, guys. I'm going to bring her in. And thanks for watching all.